Welcome to this episode. This episode is a brief one and it's about a new update on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has now updated with how you can interact on a post or a message that has been sent to you. So I want to show you how to go about this new interaction update. Just take and stay and follow closely. So quickly go to your apps and select your WhatsApp. So you can go to any of your chats or where you have received a new message, and then you tap on the message or the post, and then you see a new interaction pop up where you can select any interaction emoji you want to use. So you have a thumbs up, you have the laugh, you have the laughing emoji, you have the surprise emoji, you have the shocked emoji, you have all the other ones. So you just tap and hold to highlight, and immediately you tap and hold, the new pop-up or the update will pop up. So you can go to groups as well. So messages that has been sent or posts that has been made in groups, you can tap and hold, yes, and it will pop up. You select the interaction icon you want to use, and then you use it. So this is quite simple. You don't need to go to your emoji list or the emoji feature to go through the emoji you want to select. All you need to do is to tap and hold on the element, and then you can quickly interact or reply to the person. Isn't it super cool? It's very cool. So don't forget to watch my video on the best legit that you can make money from. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video and watch a lot more educational content on our channel. And see you another time. Bye bye.